At number 1, we have the Jasonwell Foldable Swimming Pool, a top Amazon choice for its unbeatable versatility, durability, and user-friendly design. It's perfect for kids, dogs, or both. Constructed with extra thick, environmentally friendly PVC, it's puncture resistant and built to last with no inflation needed. Thanks to its reinforced high strength fiberboard panels, it maintains perfect shape, unlike other pools that bend and collapse. Available in multiple sizes, including the popular 63-inch model, there's a perfect fit for any backyard or furry friend. The textured anti-slip base improves stability during play, helping reduce accidental slips for added safety. After use, the built-in drainage valve allows water to empty quickly, making cleanup a breeze. Once dry, it folds completely flat, taking up very little storage space in a garage or closet. High-quality construction and excellent customer satisfaction have made Jasonwell one of the most trusted brands in foldable pools.
At number 2, we have the Buric Foldable Swimming Pool. It's designed for families wanting a durable alternative to leaky, puncture-prone inflatable pools. Measuring over 118 inches, this oversized pool offers plenty of room for the whole family and even your pets to cool off comfortably. It uses reinforced rigid plastic panels and thick PVC walls to maintain its shape, resisting scratches and UV exposure. The foldable construction allows for setup in minutes without any tools or inflation. A convenient drainage system makes emptying fast and hassle-free. For family gatherings or relaxing in the sun, the Buric pool delivers excellent durability and capacity at an affordable price.
At number 3, we have the Cobopanda Foldable Swimming Pool. It's the perfect choice for families, offering a safe and convenient way to beat the summer heat. Its sturdy, hard-sided construction is far more stable than traditional inflatable pools. The standout feature is the integrated sunshade canopy, which protects children from direct sunlight. The anti-slip textured bottom adds an extra layer of safety. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for smaller patios, balconies, or backyards, while still providing enough space for children to play comfortably. Setup takes only a few seconds. Simply unfold and fill with water. When playtime is over, it folds flat for compact storage and transportation. Made from durable PVC, it resists punctures for seasons of fun. It's even perfect for indoor use as a ball pit during cooler weather. This summer, give your kids the gift of endless, safe fun. Get the Cobopanda Foldable Swimming Pool today.
At number 4, we have the StarOcean 2026 Large Foldable Pool. This hard-sided foldable pool is a top seller, made with 5-layer reinforced material for ultimate durability and safety. It pops open in seconds without any air pumps. Just unfold, place, and fill with water. The spacious design easily fits 2 adults plus 2 to 3 as kids or even your furry friends for the ultimate backyard fun. Its reinforced support system withstands active play, so you can have peace of mind. Plus, a convenient side drain makes emptying and cleanup a breeze. StarOcean. Low-maintenance outdoor fun without the hassle of inflatable repairs. Perfect for your family.
At number 5, we have the Xpool 2026 Large Foldable Pool, the game changer that sets up in just 1 minute. No inflation, no leaks, no waiting, just pure fun. Built with a 4-layer composite material, it's incredibly durable and resist collapse, even during the roughest playtime. With its extra-large design, there's plenty of room for the entire family, friends, and even your furry best friend to cool off and have a blast. It's not just a pool, it's a stylish centerpiece. The beautiful tile-patterned interior transforms your backyard into a personal oasis. When summer heat hits, don't just dream of a vacation. Bring the vacation to your backyard with the Xpool 2026.